Should I buy or sell Alibaba? The report for Alibaba was first published on our website Friday, January 20, 2023, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since December 16, 2022, our system ranks Alibaba as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 6.624. If you were following our analysis, you would have had an amazing gain of 38.1% since we first told you to buy Alibaba 23 days ago. This is an average return of 1.66% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Alibaba, our last headline reads, Stronger Technical Forecast for Alibaba Stock Price After Friday Trading. The Alibaba stock price gained 2.81% on the last trading day, Friday, January 20, 2023, rising from $116.58 to $119.86. It has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.92% from a day low at $117.80 to a day high of $120.06. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 14.61% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by minus 475,000 shares, and in total, 18 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.16 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $129.40, and the lowest price was $58.01. Right now the price is 7.37%, or $9.54, below 52-week high, and 62.46%, or $199.46, below all-time high October 27, 2020, where the price hit $319.32. The stock lies in the middle of a wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 70.63% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 55.7% and 75.33%. The 12-month trend indicates a minus 21.47% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between minus 66.04% and minus 30.19%. This equals a price between $40.70 and $83.68 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Wednesday, January 11, 2023, Barclays set price target to 141. On Tuesday, January 10, 2023, Citigroup set price target to 160. On Monday, January 9, 2023, Morgan Stanley set price target to 150. On Friday, November 18, 2022, Citigroup set price target to 144. On Friday, November 18, 2022, Truist Securities set price target to 120. From analysts, Alibaba stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for Alibaba. Mostly positive signals in the chart today. The Alibaba stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $115.74 and $97.05. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, October 24, 2022, and so far it has risen 89.8%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 61 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 11 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 46 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 44 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 36 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 30 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Alibaba. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $110.83 and $103.92. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Alibaba finds support just below today's level at $110.83. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $103.92 and $90.06. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $2.26 between high and low, or 1.92%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 2.38%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Alibaba. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Alibaba currently has a price-earning ratio of 151.40. This is an extremely high price-to-earnings ratio and could mean that a company's stock is overvalued. These kind of price-to-earnings ratios are typical for tech companies or companies that have extreme market potential. Next upcoming earnings report for Q4 2022 is expected to be released February 22, 2023. The consensus among the analysts are $2.45. Here are some possible good day trading levels. The stock does not have any resistance from accumulate volume above and may therefore move very fast upwards given the right conditions. You should therefore enter the stock and use volume to determine when to exit. On a downturn, Alibaba finds first level of support at $110.83, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Alibaba is buy. Our recommended stop loss is $116.50, minus 2.80%. This stock has very high daily movements and this gives very high risk. The RSI 14 is 85 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 60 days ago. Is Alibaba stock a buy? Alibaba holds several positive signals and is within a strong rising trend. As the old saying says, let the trend be your friend. We therefore consider it to be a good choice at these current levels and we are expecting further gains during the next 3 months. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a strong buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Monday 23rd, we expect Alibaba to open down $0.620 and start trading at $119.24. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to